Hey everyone, welcome back to another Flutter tutorial. In this video, I will show you the top 7 Flutter and Dart package that can speed up your Flutter app development journey. These pre-built tools help developer building app quickly by providing pre-written code bundles, making it easier and faster to add feature and functionality. According to the Flutter pub.dev reports, over 11,000 new packages were released in 2023. We expect that every year the same number of packages are released. However, not all packages are equally useful or efficient. In this video, we will discuss some of the best ones that can help you become a more efficient developer and increase your productivity. The first package is FLChart. FLChart is one of the exceptional open source Flutter library designed to simplify and enhance the implementation of graphical chart in mobile app. It offers a wide range of chart types such as pie chart, bar chart, line chart, and more. By using the one package, you can create the different type of chart just like line chart, bar chart, pie chart, and other. This package helps if you need to represent any data in chart. Second number package is Font Awesome Flutter, which one is Flutter favorite as well. Every icon are not available in default Flutter framework. If you require the icon that are not in there, you can use the Font Awesome package. It provides 2000 additional icon to use in your app. Instead of searching icon in somewhere, Google or other, you can use Font Awesome icon. It reduces your time during developing. Number 3. Dio. Dio library primary used in Flutter application for handling HTTP requests. It is the powerful HTTP client enabling Flutter developer to communicate with the web server and API. With Dio, developer can easily fetch data from the internet, send data to the server, and interact with the API, making network operation in Flutter app more efficiently. In general, a Dio is a powerful HTTP networking package. You can use this package to communicate with the internet. Number 4. Flutter Toast. Flutter Toast library is designed to help Flutter developer quickly show shortest message on their app within a single line of code. Within a single line of code, you can display the alert message and some other message as well. Until now, it is only support on 3 platforms, Android, iOS, and web. It is not available on desktop. With the single line of code, you can display this type of toast message on your Flutter app. It is just easy, simple, and shortest way to display the alert message, dialog message, and some other notification. Number 5. Flutter localization. This package offers translation for a variety of language and locals, as well as the translation for string, number, and date and time format. By the use of Flutter localization package, you can set the option of many languages in your app. It's make easier to make app and publish globally. Number 6. Share preferences, which one is also a Flutter favorite plugin. It is also available on every platform. Flutter Share Preferences package offers a straightforward method for storing and retrieving persistence key value pair of data. You can quickly save little bit of information like user performance, app setting, and other basic information of single user. You can use the share preferences to store our data locally. Number 7. Last but not the least, it is also a Flutter favorite plugin. Everyone knows that Google font is used to change the font. If you require some different font other than the default, you can use the Google font package. It provides all of the font available on fonts.google.com. Okay, in this video, we have discussed the 7 most important packages that can improve our productivity within a short time. Thanks for watching. In next video, I'll come with other several this type of important package.